Going on, everybody? This is D again with another quick tip. Something you should think about having on the road or when you travel with a little patch kit. It comes kind of like this. It comes with those two tools and that's a little bit smaller in the package, but you'll get it all in the kit. It's good to have when you're traveling in case you get a flat tire or anything like that. These are kind of the tools you need to take it out. I got a little water squirter here I want to show you. I'm going to squirt on here and you see all the bubbles coming out. That's when you know where the nail's at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some pliers. See if we can take this out. Being a little stubborn. Again, it's hard to work with one hand. Like this. Ream the hole a little bit, clean it up. Have a big hole. Grab some cement. Put it on a little bit of the stick. Don't be afraid to put a lot. Take this out. Plug it up. Pop it. I usually put a little extra just in case. And they want the access. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut it up. Okay. Now you go ahead and air it up where you're supposed to be at 32, 35. And when you're done that, go ahead and spray some this to make sure. And look at that, no bubbles. So that you'd be good to go on the road again. Just make sure you park somewhere that has a gas station that has the air pump, so you can air it up, or get one of those portable air pumps that got those cigarette lighters that plug in. That will help you to air it up after you fix a patch. Anyways, that's a quick video of how to fix a tire real quick on the road, or whenever you get a tire flat. Only on little holes like that though. Hopefully that will help you. See you later.